selfish, but I just don't care. I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever. Leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my.
Nucleus, protons and neutrons, right? Now see, today we will discuss about atomic number and mass number. Understand and listen the video carefully, students. Atomic number is equal to number of protons present in the nucleus. Atomic number means number of atom. In the previous class we have discussed about, that is in class 7th, we have discussed about first 20 elements, hydrogen to calcium. So these are arranged in the series.
Leaves are the green flat structure. Addition. For playing this game, you need pack of cards and minimum 2 players. Okay? If you don't have cards,
so let us remove y. Okay, we will remove y and add I, E, I, E and S. Okay. So what we have done, we have just remove y and added I, E, S. Yes, we have just removed y and added I, E, S. Okay, understood? So what is the plural of lady? Ladies. Lady, ladies. So what we have done, if a noun ends in y, we have dropped y. We have dropped y. Okay, we have removed y.
See, here H. Goel St. Paul's ORG is showing. Now what you have to do, click on that, you will see the emails by Kiran Singla for class 5. These emails you have to open and just you have to click on try chat in this email and join in this email. So for other in charges, they will get an email like this. Okay, for changing the password, click on it.
My dear students, parents, teachers, administrative staff and non-teaching staff.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Prachita of class 6, is going to tell you a beautiful story. My story name is The Honest Woodcutter. Long ago, in a small village, there lived a woodcutter. He used to cut the wood from the nearby forest. He cut the woods and sold it to earn some money. One day, while cutting the wood on the bank of river, accidentally his axe fell into the river. The river was very deep and fast flowing. Then the wood
also helps to correct our posture of body. Now I am going to do Balasana. sonar. It also
23.5 degrees south passes almost through its middle. Now, Tropic of Capricorn we will observe. See, this is again a map of the world and we are observing the position of Australia. Now, see, this red line is showing Tropic of Capricorn. Can you see this red line? It is passing through the middle of continent Australia. Means Tropic of Capricorn is passing through the middle of this continent known as Australia. It extends from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitude. Now latitudinal extent we will see. Can you see this black circle at the corner?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the extent. Means from south it is showing 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south. It is starting from 10 degrees south to here 44 degrees south. Can you see this?
I'll show the evolution of gas, okay? My hands are not properly working actually. See, I've dropped HCl into it and then I'll be heating it gently.
Miss, I'm sorry for interrupting. Can you just push your laptop a little far?
Well, this we have kept a resistance here. Anything you can apply, that is a resistance. This is a Ohm's law apparatus which is used. Now in this experiment what we are going to study is that when we are going to change the value of the voltmeter, the value of the current will also change. Now we are adjusting it to, I am adjusting the voltmeter to, you can see here 0.5 volts. When the voltmeter reading is 0.5 volts, what is the ammeter reading? Ammeter reading is 5 milliampere. This is our first reading. Second reading is when I take.
Ma'am, see if it is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. Now we will start heating it. Can you see how it is rising up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll show you the green color.
Okay, because plus minus is always minus. We are getting 50.
Ma'am, please tell where we are because yesterday I was absent.
Okay, Sanya, we are discussing one question that I have given them for homework. Okay, look attentively here. 7 minus 2 is 5. Wait. First of all, let me complete this. Now, what sign we have to put before 50? There's a problem now. What sign we will put before 50? We will put the sign of greater number. We will always put the sign of greater number. Now, who's greater? 125 or 175? Who's greater?
Complete this practical. If you want the readings, I can still show you. They are on my board. You want the readings again? We will have a
Observing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tamanna, what is the observation? What you are observing? Yes, what is the observation? What we are observing here?
Ma'am, the
That
crystals are gently.
the molecules of crystals, they are diffusing slowly, and you can see the color of the water is changing slowly. First, the appearance was slightly red, and now it's becoming purple. You can see, right? Have you observed this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Observed? See. So what would be the observation?
Good morning, my dear students. I thank God for the privilege of being in front of you all today as head of this wonderful institution, St. Paul's High School, as we celebrate its 46th Founders Day. I also take this opportunity to welcome both old and new student members as well as staff members with us today to celebrate this momentous occasion, which is a true testament of God's faithfulness, and we give Him all the glory. The founder of the school was Mrs. Catherine Mary Charles, who was a dynamic educationist, an experienced administrator, and a loving human being. She started her career as a military officer in the year 1946, and after retiring from the services, she joined the Convent of Jesus and Mary, Ambala Cant, and worked there for 25 years. As she loved children and still wanted to devote her life and her experience in the field of education, she opened her own school called Mrs. K. Charles's Nursery School, which was later renamed as St. Paul's High School.
Recite a poem the night before Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house
not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
The stockings were hung by the chimney with care,
in hopes that Saint Nicholas soon would be there.
The children were nestled or snug in their beds,
while visions
So this is the story of how Jesus came from heaven to save all mankind. He came to spread the good news of God's love. He came to tell us to love God and to love one another. He came to bring peace on earth. This is the true story of Christmas. Now I would request Reverend John Syriac to please come and share his message.
Christmas greetings to one and all. This morning I would like to bring to you the true meaning of Christmas. Christmas is not about Santa Claus, parties, gifts, and other things, but it is about God sending His only Son to this world for the mankind, to save them and to give them a hope. Bible says, "For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him will not perish but have eternal life." And so this Christmas, let us welcome and receive the greatest gift into our lives. And along with this great gift of Jesus Christ, it also brings us peace, joy, happiness, and a hope for the future. Therefore, my wish for each and every one of those who are here is that you need the greatest gift which no human being can give, but only God from heaven, and that is His only Son, Jesus Christ. God bless you and wish you a Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए संभालो यारो, ओ लहर जेनो
What happened in class 8? Yes, class 10. Stand here first, wait for the next person.
Deep Singh, parent of Mankirat Kaur of class 10th, would like to take this opportunity as to thank the school staff and teachers of St. Paul High School, Ambala City for keeping up student education during this time of pandemic. I would conclude by saying a big thank to principal and teachers of St. Paul High School, Ambala City. They are working hard and making education a milestone. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Ms. Satinder Sani, mother of Gusrishti and Arjunveer Sani, would like to throw light on the renowned school that is St. Paul's High School, Ambala City. When the whole world is struggling with the pandemic COVID-19, every aspect of life had become ceased. Instead of this, school did a tremendous job in the field of academics as well as extracurricular activities. They never made their students realize that they are out of touch with them. The school was going on as usual before COVID. The efficient staff and the administration should be.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनीशा नाम है। मैं आपके साथ सेंट पॉल हाई स्कूल के जितने भी साल हम रहे हैं उसका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। मैं तकरीबन 7 साल से सेंट पॉल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ क्योंकि मेरी बेटी वहाँ पढ़ती है। तो मेरा सेंट पॉल के साथ बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। जैसे अभी रिसेंटली लॉकडाउन में देखा जाए तो टीचर्स ने, स्टाफ मेंबर्स ने और बहुत ही प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बहुत कोऑपरेट किया है बच्चों के साथ। पढ़ाई में किसी भी तरह की कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आने दी बच्चों को। बच्चों ने भी बड़ी अच्छे तरीके से अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है, चाहे स्टडीज़ से रिलेटेड हो जाए या एग्जामिनेशन से रिलेटेड हो जाए। बाकी अगर प्रीवियस ईयर्स की बात करें तो उसमें भी टीचर्स, स्टाफ मेंबर सब बड़े मिलजुल के बच्चों की हेल्प करते हैं। किसी भी तरह
Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and lovely teachers of St. Paul High School. In spite of difficult circumstances,
brought on by COVID-19, educators continue to wake up every day and teach their students from their homes instead of in classroom. I'm very thankful to principal and teachers of St. Paul High School for their amazing job that they are doing for our kids. Knowing that you are taking care of our kids give us confidence and reassurance during this tough time of COVID-19. You are taking care.
Hello, I am Ruby Sharma, mother of Sachika Sharma. I really appreciate the teachers of St. Paul Public School who create online classes, activity and different things. My daughter enjoy a lot. She is very happy and I am also learned with her. Thank you so much teachers and management. You doing very well. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rati Kataria, Nikun's mother. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank all the dedicated teachers who have really worked hard during this pandemic to make the students better person through their online platform. I am very much satisfied with their hard work and I really wish you all a very good luck. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Ruby Sharma, mother of Sachika Sharma. I really appreciate the teachers of St. Paul's High School who create online classes, activity and different things. My daughter enjoy a lot. She is very happy. I am also learned with her. And a special thanks Mrs. Duggal and Marwa. You doing very well. Thank you so much.
Good evening, this is Paramjit. I am mother of Gulshin Kaur, who is a student of UKG Cubs in St. Paul's High School. And today I am here to express my views on online education that is being imparted by the school during this pandemic. First of all, I would like to thank the school management, principal ma'am and the teaching staff, especially Mrs. Duggal and Mrs. Marwaha ma'am for their consistent efforts and dedication towards quality education. To be honest, initially I was not certain about the success of these online classes, but the school has proved that only the school building is closed and not the teaching learning process. And now I am quite satisfied with these online classes. Through these online classes, equal importance is being given to curricular as well as co-curricular activities for the all-round development of the child. And this is a very great initiative of the school. And I would like to thank Mrs. Duggal, who is a class teacher of UKG Cubs. She is an idol of inspiration.
Respected principal ma'am, I am glad that my child is studying in your school. This is one of the best school of Ambala, imparts good knowledge and study. My elder son, my nephew and niece were also the student of your school. I appreciate the teachers of the school. They are very hardworking and especially thanks to my daughter Angel's class teacher, Mrs. Duggal ma'am. The method of her teaching is effective and efficient. Teachers of this school are sincere and dedicated towards their job. Special thanks to
Very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Vanshika Jain, mother of Amo Jain, studying in UKG. In the present scenario, as we work in challenges posing art, in this time, technologies are difficult and online education being only possible. Teachers of St. Paul High School are doing a commendable job despite all the challenges. I'm really grateful to all the teachers who take time out of their families for the sake of the students' future. Being a parent, I feel proud and privileged to have enrolled in such a school that provides quality education along with enriching soft skills and values as well. Thank you so much, teachers. We really appreciate your each and every effort.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं वरुण शर्मा, नवराज शर्मा का फादर हूँ। मेरा बेटा नवराज सेंट पॉल हाई स्कूल में पढ़ता है, जिसके सभी क्लासेस बहुत अच्छे ढंग से चल रही हैं, जिसके लिए मैं सभी टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल का थैंक्स करता हूँ, जिनके सहयोग से बच्चों की पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रही है। और हमें इसके लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। धन्यवाद।
Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and lovely teachers of St. Paul High School. In spite of difficult circumstances brought on by COVID-19, educators continue to wake up every day and teach their students from their homes instead of in classroom. I'm very thankful to principal and teachers of St. Paul High School for their amazing job that they are doing for our kids. Knowing that you are taking care of our kids give us confidence and reassurance during this tough time of COVID-19. You are taking care of each child in such a beautiful manner that we can't thank you enough for your hard work and selfless service. Once again, I just want to thank St. Paul High School for its hard work and dedication. Thank you and have a nice day.
Deep Singh, parent of Mankirat Kaur of class 10th, would like to take this opportunity as to thank the school staff and teachers of St. Paul High School, Ambala City for keeping up student education during this time of pandemic. I would conclude by saying a big thank to principal and teachers of St. Paul High School, Ambala City. They are working hard and making education a milestone. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Ms. Satinder Sani, mother of Gusrishti and Ajamvi Sani, would like to throw light on the renowned school that is St. Paul's High School, Ambala City. When the whole world is struggling with the pandemic COVID-19, every aspect of life had become ceased. Instead of this, school did a tremendous job in the field of academics as well as extracurricular activities. They never made their students realize that they are out of touch with them. The school was going on as usual before COVID. The efficient staff and the administration should be rewarded for the extraordinary efforts made by them. In this huge crisis, I, as a mother, have noticed few things like yoga class, Independence Day celebration, online summon party organized by the school, which never made students feel bored. Besides all of these, they decided to enhance their zeal, courage, and boost immunity to fight darkness. It's my heartiest desire that this school may touch the glory of success and elevation in upcoming future. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मनीषा नाम है। मैं आपके साथ सेंट पॉल हाई स्कूल के जितने भी साल हम रहे हैं उसका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। मैं तकरीबन 7 साल से सेंट पॉल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ क्योंकि मेरी बेटी वहाँ पढ़ती है। तो मेरा सेंट पॉल के साथ बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। जैसे अभी रिसेंटली लॉकडाउन में देखा जाए तो टीचर्स ने, स्टाफ मेंबर्स ने और बहुत ही प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बहुत कोऑपरेट किया है बच्चों के साथ। पढ़ाई में किसी भी तरह की कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आने दी बच्चों को। बच्चों ने भी बड़ी अच्छे तरीके से अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है, चाहे स्टडीज़ से रिलेटेड हो जाए या एग्जामिनेशन से रिलेटेड हो जाए। बाकी अगर प्रीवियस ईयर्स की बात करें तो उसमें भी टीचर्स, स्टाफ मेंबर सब बड़े मिलजुल के बच्चों की हेल्प करते हैं। किसी भी तरह की अगर दिक्कत लगती है तो हम बेझिझक उनसे बात कर लेते हैं और वो पूरी कोशिश करते हैं वो प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करने की।